I'm sorry. That's just how it is. Apparently, you've done a wonderful job. Just to give him the news.
Monsieur Carriere, what's happened?
I've just been dismissed.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, monsieur, that is terrible. How could you?
30 years. What will we do without you?
Go on. Go on. Go around the corner.
Pardon me, monsieur. I'm supposed to see a Monsieur Gerard Carriere. I believe he's the manager here. The Comte Chagny sent me. He said Monsieur Carriere could arrange for me to have singing lessons.
Monsieur Carriere has just been dismissed.
Where did he find her?
Monsieur the Count's new girl.
Dear, we're curious. Where did the Count de Chagny find you?
At a country fair.
He's branching out?
I think he was on his way to his chateau.
And thought you had nice legs?
No, he heard me singing a folk song.
Oh, and thought you had a nice voice?
Yes.
And asked if you'd like lessons?
Are all of you his friends?
That's him.
This yes. Was that the first time you met the Count?
No. I mean, yes. Yes, it was. The first time.
What are you waiting for?
Madame, one of the stagehands said I shouldn't go down there.
You're listening to a stagehand. Maybe you don't want to work for me anymore at all.
No, I do. So, you want an inventory of what?
Of everything you can find down there. All costumes, all sets. I want to know exactly what it is we are inheriting.
Maybe the new manager will help you, but I can't promise you anything.
The truth is, my friends, it was time for me to leave. I'd been around far too long. All Paris by now must know that the opera is under new management. And of course, that means a new managing director. And I would like to present him to you now.
He bought his way in.
How else?
Monsieur Alain Choleti. And
Carlotta.
And his charming and talented wife, Carlotta.
This is a moment we will never forget.
It's the phantom.
Phantoms? Do you see anything? What is going on?
I'll explain it to you in my office.
You mean my office?
Of course, forgive me.